Good day everyone. For today's video, I am going to solve a log torsion. So here is the problem. Problem 3.40. The solid spindle AB has a diameter ds of 1.5 inches and is made of a steel with a G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 psi and the allowable stress is 12 psi, while sleeve CD is made up of glass with G is equal to 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6 psi and allowable stress is 7 psi. Determine the largest angle through which NA can be rotated. So this is our free body diagram. So we have spindle, we have this T rotating. So we have the distance of 8 inches and 4 inches from A to E. So that's all. C is equal to 1/2 ds. So our C now is equal to 0.75 inches. So next proceed to T. T is equal to pi over 2 times the allowable stress C cube. So we have plug in the values pi over 2 times 12 times 10 to the power 6 times 0.75 cube. So we have T is equal to 7.95 times 10 to the power 3 pound inches. So next solve for C2. 1/2 that times DO, the outer diameter. So we have this is our outer diameter 3 inches. So 1/2 times 3 inches is equal to 1.5 inches. So we have C2. So we can solve for C1. Simply C1 is equal to C2 minus T. So we have C1 is equal to 1.5 minus 0.25. So why is it 0.25? It's because our T is 1/4 inches or 0.25 inches. So our C1 now is 1.25. So next, J is equal to pi over 2 times C2 to the 4th minus C1 to the 4th. So plug in the values, we have J is equal to 4.1172 inches to the 4th. Next, solve problem for T. T is equal to J times the stress over C2. So we have 4.1172 times 7 times 10 to the power 3 all over 1.5. So we have T is equal to 19.21 times 10 to the power 3 pound inches. So next, our J now, solve for J, our J is 0.49701 inches to the 4th. So again, we have the length of 12 inches, we have the G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power 6 psi. So for the shaft AB, so we have the angle AB is equal to TL over GJ. So plug in the values, 7.95 times 10 to the power 3 times the length of 12 times the G, again 11.2 times 10 to the power 6 times the J, which is 0.49701. So our AB now is just 0.017131 radians. So now we will angle AB. So next, proceed for the shaft CD. So angle CD is equal to TL over GJ. So 7.95 times 10 to the cube multiplied by the length of 8, and G is 5.6 times 10 to the power 6, and the J is 4.1172. So we have angle CD is equal to 0.002758 radians. So we need to determine the longest angle. So we just simply sum up. So we have from the angle A to D. So angle AD is equal to AB plus CD. So we have plug in the values 0.0017138 plus 0.002758. So we have angle AD, which is 1.140 degrees. And that's all. Thank you.